Successful project and portfolio management, or PPM, is hard work. And if your team operates within a siloed system or manages work using a bunch of disconnected tools, it can be even more difficult to be successful and scale your efforts. Smartsheet is a single platform that combines a best-in-class user experience with a portfolio approach to manage multiple projects, programs, and portfolios. With Smartsheet, you can manage projects, quantify outcomes, react quickly to change, all by driving alignment across the organization, from strategy to execution. Smartsheet breaks down PPM into 6 different jobs to be done: strategic planning, demand intake, portfolio prioritization, project sourcing and planning, project work execution, and portfolio reporting. Let's take a look at how you can use Smartsheet to manage each of these elements. Strategic planning. One of the main goals of PPM is to achieve the organization's strategic goals. Smartsheet helps companies evaluate and prioritize projects that align with overall business goals and gain stakeholder buy-in. Start by capturing all company-level goals into a sheet that rolls up into a report. For each goal, identify the associated objectives and the projects to get there. As the various initiatives are reviewed and approved, document how each objective maps directly into a greater organization-wide goal, and showcase these initiatives in a visual dashboard that you can share with key stakeholders. Demand intake. Smartsheet provides a single place to intake and sort all work requests, regardless of the request type or origin. Because aligning demand with your organization's strategic objectives is a critical piece of portfolio success, you must evaluate each potential new project and only take on projects that align to business objectives. Let's start by using a sheet to capture and organize incoming project requests and keep your team focused on the highest priorities. As you can see, it's easy to manage new requests while also keeping an inventory of all projects in flight. Use the many different field types to capture all relevant information, such as fields for team members, symbols, or dates. You can also add columns for project name and objective, stakeholders, and KPIs, really any detail you need to track. Once you've set up your sheet, you're ready to start fielding requests. A customizable project intake form will directly feed into this sheet. This form is easy to share and will act as your front door for all incoming requests. New project requests flow back into your project intake sheet and give your team a heads up as requests come in. This allows the approvers to quickly review, approve, and prioritize each request. Portfolio prioritization. Portfolio prioritization helps business leaders focus on what matters most and eliminate projects that don't align with organizational priorities. Create a set of criteria to score and assess projects based on the value they contribute to strategic goals. This will give you a transparent, repeatable, and streamlined way to weigh down projects on their value and importance. Project sourcing and planning. Smartsheet makes it easy to manage multiple projects while driving efficiencies across the portfolio. Package up your project-related assets like project plans, budget sheet, at-risk report, and project dashboard, and deploy them with the click of a button, streamlining efforts across projects. Leverage your budget sheet to plan and track project spend, and ensure you're viewing the most up-to-date data as Smartsheet automatically syncs information from third-party financial tools to deliver clarity around funding. Plus, you can pivot and reallocate resources to meet challenging business priorities and ensure team members aren't over-leveraged, which will help you make the most informed business decisions, deliver on scope, time, and budget, and ensure work balance for your team. Project work execution. Bringing all your project work onto a single platform makes it easy to execute projects and increases your chance of success. No matter the type, size, or complexity of your project, Smartsheet makes it easy to manage project details and gain real-time visibility into status. Set up automated alerts to get notified when items are ready for approval, milestones are hit, or timelines are at risk. You can also easily uncover key trends, activities, and bottlenecks within your project by aggregating and visualizing relevant data that's generated automatically. This allows you to surface key business intelligence right from your project sheet and make better informed decisions. Portfolio reporting and monitoring. With real-time reporting across your portfolio, you can spend less time manually creating status reports and more time focusing on driving impact. Build easy-to-configure reports and dashboards to provide high-level visibility to management and stakeholders, so everyone has access to all portfolio-related information. Now you've got one location to report on progress. See the health of your programs and portfolios, and simultaneously drill down to the individual task and project level as needed. As your project management efforts mature, you'll be able to identify gaps and inefficiencies and make necessary adjustments to your processes and scale them across your portfolio. With a consistent way to track and manage each new project, you'll finally maintain real-time visibility across your portfolio. Try Smartsheet today to effectively manage your cross-functional work and ensure you are successfully delivering against your organization's most important goals.